Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi weeks that I use for work. And because it is Halloween on Monday, this is a weird week. It's Halloween on Monday, but the rest of the week is November. I'm still going to decorate it as Halloween as I can. I don't normally decorate for Halloween, but I have so many lovely stickers from According to Allie that I have to use them. So I'm going to use this Come We Fly. Yes, it's Hocus Pocus. But I also have some Hocus Pocus quotes that I did in my shop from last year, and I'm bringing them out. I love this one. Don't get your knickers in a twist. And I'm going to try and use all of these stickers, even if it's like just sticker overload in my weeks. Let's get started. All right, so these are going to be the most amount of stickers I'm going to be using in any one spread in my Hobonichi weeks, just because I want to use all these stickers, because why not? And then if there is like no room for me to write notes, well, that's what the note section on the back is for. So I love this one. Amok Amok, and I know I have Amok Amok on there already. So I'm going to put the cauldron here and the, because I don't want to put black on black on black. It just looks weird. So we're going to put book right next to it, but also grab washi, because I mean you need washi. And put a little bit of washi next to the cauldron, and then it just is fitting that book would go right next to the cauldron. Now that I've done that, I've put the washi, I think, too high, and because I want to put the book like right about there. There we go. Cool beans. Now I'm gonna put the moon up here with the, which one? I like the, it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. Right up here. Oh, I love that. Then I'm not gonna use that one. But I will use Binks and the Black Flame Candle. Yes, I did say it the way Winifred would. Now, thing is, I do kind of want to put it up here, but part of me is like, just use up all the stickers and put them wherever. This vacuum, like unless you've actually watched Hocus Pocus, will be like, what the hell are you doing? But I'm gonna put actually the Black Flame Candle here on the side, and then Binks right here. And I'm gonna put a little washi, because I mean it's washi. Actually, I don't feel like I need washi, but I do want to put maybe Amok right here. I know I'm covering Binks's tail. Don't want to cover his tail. And then perfect. And then I do want to put like, I put a spell on you somewhere, but I feel like that's enough for now. So I won't be using those ones, but I will go ahead now and start writing in my meetings. So there's my quick Halloween spread in my Hobonichi weeks, and I really love how that turned out. It's so fun. And the pen that I am using is my Benu Euphoria Ocean Breeze, and it currently has the Colorverse Hayabusa glistening. So it's this really purple, really cool purple ink with gold shimmer. Just love it. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's going to be past Halloween, but these stickers are available in According to Allie's shop, and if you use my affiliate link in the description below along with code Karina10, you can get 10% off of her stickers. All right, thanks again so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.